In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Stripe to Xero so your invoices can be paid online quickly and automatically synced to your accounting. By the end, you'll have Stripe set up as a payment service inside Xero, ready to accept card payments from your customers. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Xero website and sign into your Xero account as you normally would. Make sure you're logging into the correct organization if you have access to more than one. It also helps to do this from a desktop or laptop because the layout is clearer and easier to follow than on a mobile device. Once you're in Xero, look for the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Sales and click on it. This is where Xero groups everything to do with your invoices, quotes, and getting paid. If you don't see Sales immediately, you might see Business first and then Sales beneath that, depending on your Xero layout, but the idea is the same. Head into the Sales area. Inside the Sales section, look for the option called Online Payments. Go ahead and click that. This is the page where Xero lets you choose which payment services you want to offer on your invoices, like Stripe, PayPal, or others. Setting this up means your customers will see a Pay Now button on the invoices they receive by email. On the online payments page, you should see a button or link that says Start Setup. Click on that to begin the process. If you've never connected a payment service before, this will start a new setup. If you have something else connected already, you're just adding an additional option. You'll now see a section called Available Payment Services. Here, you're looking for an option to Add Other. Click on Add Other to open up the list of additional payment providers that can be linked to your Xero account. This is where Stripe will appear. From that list, click on Stripe. Xero might show you a short description of Stripe and how the integration works. Confirm you're happy to use Stripe and move on to the configuration screen. Next, you'll be asked to enter an account name and select a payment account. The account name is just a label inside Xero, something like Stripe Payments, so you can easily recognize it later. For the payment account, choose the bank account or clearing account in your chart of accounts where you want Stripe funds to be recorded when they come in. If you're unsure which account to choose, you may want to use a dedicated Stripe clearing account, and you can always ask your bookkeeper or accountant for guidance. You'll also see an option to select a credit card logo. Choose the logo that best represents the payment methods you'll accept through Stripe, usually a generic card icon or specific card types that your customers commonly use. This logo will appear on your invoices, helping customers immediately recognize that they can pay by card. Once everything looks correct, find and click the button that says Connect Stripe. Xero will then open a secure Stripe window or redirect you to Stripe's sign-in page. From there, you simply log into your Stripe account and authorize the connection. After you confirm access, Stripe and Xero will be linked, and you'll be taken back to Xero, where your new Stripe payment service will be active and ready to use on your invoices.